My name's Rachel Shields. I'm a descendant of the Whalewin and Gamilaroi people from far north New South Wales. And I'm here today in Djabugai Country, out at Oak Forest. With all the dragonflies. Just listening to the sounds here, the beautiful sounds here. I'm thinking about a song that I wrote many years ago. A song about a person who'd been in the city for quite a long time and was accustomed to that lifestyle. And in that life, they were quite recognized in society for what they did. So this person would get up every day and put on their black suit and their black tie, have breakfast with their family, get in their little car and drive into the city. When they arrived in the city, they will park beneath the tallest building in the city, get in the elevator and go to the highest floor, for that is where their office was. Once in the office, they would walk to the window and look down at all the people down below. And from where they stood, everybody looked like scurrying ants. Well, this person had their face on billboards all around the city. And they knew that every choice that they made affected many of those people down below. For that is the position that they held within society. Well, one morning, this person woke to find that standing at the end of their bed was their spirit looking back at them. Their spirit called to them to follow. And together they went outside and stood, looking back at the giant house that this person had built. Their spirit turned to them, and their spirit said, "You have everything, but everything that you own is on the outside." Well, this person walked inside, packed a very small bag, turned to their family and said, "I'm going. I don't know where, and I don't know why." And they got in their little car and they drove away. In the dark, hollow realm, the heart freezes to numb, all emotions lost in ice. Look beyond to here in the light of the mind's eye, as it beckons to embrace. The graceful ones will guide you, and your healing heart to warm the life yet lived, life in every breath. Soft emotions ebb and the rocks become smooth. So I've been told the unfolding beyond the forest of the mind, there is a beating heart whose resonance calls like, oh, the whispering wind. There lay an orchid pathway. Oh, the colors shift and change could make you feel quite strange in a garden ever blooming. Ooh, yeah, couldn't have come too soon. Your dreams shine on a silver spoon. Marshmallows are biting me. Couldn't have come too soon. Be just so long the rays of a moonbeam. Ouch. Couldn't have come too soon. So I've been told the unfolding. Now I'm seeing what I'm feeling, yeah. Now I'm feeling what I'm seeing, yeah. Like a ship of gold, like a ship of gold, like a ship of gold. Too soon. Couldn't have come too soon. Couldn't have come too soon. Ooh, the unfolding. Now this person wakes up every morning surrounded by the sounds of nature, sun shining, and not a day goes by where they don't feel enriched, because now everything that they own is on the inside, the inside, the inside. Ooh, nah, yeah. Ooh, nah, ooh, my mel, the unfolding. And in this very moment, I am sitting in Djabugai Country, feeling the spirit of place here, feeling the sun beating down on me, surrounded by beautiful flowing waters, very grateful. So Djabugai Country is Kuranda, Far North Queensland is part of that country. Djabugai Country, so much life here. For all the people that haven't been able to go outside for some time now due to what the world is going through, may this beautiful place reach your hearts.